Part one of car crash. Wait. All right. Okay. Dad. Is Uncle gonna be there soon? Uncle gonna be there soon? Yeah. All right. I'm going to go at the back door and wait for Uncle. And I'm gonna see Uncle wagging his thing. Oopsies, the door. I think I broke the door. Okay, I'm waiting for Uncle. Hi, I'm Uncle. And let's get in this car. I don't want to get in the car. But you can watch me get in the car. I don't know whether he really get in the car with me, but watch me get in this car. Where the boat? Whoa! The car like go this way. I'm going this way. You know what? This how a Jeep really goes. I'm perfectly fine. Let me drive back up there. Car's gonna get clean up there. Get me up there. Oh, wait. How did I get out this stupid little car? Why is he there? Where's Uncle? He didn't come back. Where's Uncle? What the? I'm your other uncle. Your dad is. Wait, my dad have two dads? Yeah, I don't really know why. So watch me try this. It's really easy. Let me try to know how to control it. How do we go up? How we go up? Sorry, I don't know how to drive a plane. Huh? Sorry. Where's other uncle? He didn't came back. I wait, no.